Yeah, Sudarshan, Bhavya. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Okay, this concept is related to advanced procurement concept. Okay, advanced procurement concept. Advanced procurement the concept. Under that advanced procurement concept, first I will discuss with the vendor consignment or subcontract, whatever it is. Means vendor consignment is nothing but a vendor will keep the goods. Vendor will keep the. Okay, this is the first concept. Vendor will keep the goods under plant premises. Under plant premises. Okay, without under plant premises. Okay, plant premises. Means without payment. Whenever purchase department requires they utilize the material, they settle the means they utilize the material and they'll payment to the settle payment to the vendor. Means like example, we are going to give one particular in plant. Okay, plant. We will give one separate one block to the vendor. Okay, vendor will keep the goods there without payment, without order. Okay, vendor will keep the goods there. Then whenever the company requires, they will utilize these particular goods. That we can call vendor consignment. Okay, vendor consignment. Okay, how to maintain the vendor stock, how to create the vendor consignment, how to create the purchase info record, how to maintain the tax data. This all concept only I am going to discuss. Okay, first tax code is very important. Tax codes. Tax codes. This is very important. We have to maintain the tax codes. To maintain the tax procedure or tax codes, PROCEDURA tax procedure, we will use here OBBG. Okay, OBBG is a tax code, T code. First step. Otherwise, configuration wise, if you will go, SAP, okay, finance related, we have to go. Okay, finance related. Okay, go to OBBG first step. Assign a country to calculation procedure. Country IN, I created LG tax something. L tax or LG tax. Let me show. LG tax or L tax. Both are maintained. Enter. Then check the tax code. FTTXP. FTXP. Tax code. FTXP. IN. Browse the tax code. A0 I created. Enter. It is already maintained. Input tax and output tax. Save. Save. Then go to MI purchase info record for vendor consignment. Okay, last concept. These are all subcontracting, pipeline, consignment, last concepts. I told you in basic sessions. Now vendor we have to select here. Company code. Material. Purchasing organization. LGBN. Vendor consignment purchase info record. Okay, maintain the data, vendor data. Enter. Delivery time, standard quantity, price, okay, enter, enter, click on save. Okay, click on save. Purchase info record is ready. Now we'll go for purchase order, vendor consignment purchase order, ME21N. Okay, ME21N. We'll create one by one clearly. Vendor number 110 LGSP. Maintain the purchasing organization. Maintain the company code. Okay, maintain the purchasing organization. Okay, maintain the just maintain the material number. Okay, maintain the material number. Purchase order quantity. Purchase order quantity 1000. Net price 100. LGBN 0001. Everything is same. Everything is same. Then click on okay, click on check the errors. Click on check and click on save. Okay, click on save. Now data is saved. Purchase order is created. Let me check the purchase order. This is the latest purchase order number. This is the latest purchase order number. It is created. Okay, this is a number. Copy this number. Okay, copy. This is general purchase order. See, sorry. This is general purchase order. Now I have to create a consignment purchase order. I'll repeat you once again. That is general purchase order. Sorry. Okay, my purchase order number is LGBN, LPON something. Then vendor number, purchasing organization number, purchasing group. Okay. Then here this item category is a consignment. K. This is very important. Okay. Enter the plant. Very important. And enter the quantity. Enter the quantity. Then storage location. Then immediately it logs the price. Price it won't ask us here now. Okay, price. Because this is consignment material. This is K. K is nothing but a consignment material. K is consignment material. K is the consignment material. Click on check. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Save this. Now LG standard purchase order is created. Okay, LG standard purchase order is created. Okay, this is the way to create the purchase order. But purchase order is ready. But we have to receive the purchase order. Copy this one. To receive the purchase order, copy, go to MIGO. Okay, go to MIGO. Okay, go to MIGO. Goods received with purchase order with number 29. Purchase order number, not one movement type with respect to the 101. Click on check the item. Okay. Click on check item. Okay. Click on post. Now vendor consignment is posted. The vendor consignment is posted, meaning let me check the status. How many goods we we received? MMBE. MMBE is a transaction code to check the normal stock and consignment stock. To check the normal stock and consignment stock. Click on execute. See this, there is no stock here right now. My plant does not have the stock, but vendor is having the whole, vendor is holding the stock. Vendor right now it is having the stock, but it is in plant only, is in my company related only. But consignment related vendor. Okay, vendor. It's clear now this point. Any doubt? Next. Okay, next. Okay. Click on. Now I am going to transfer from where to where? Some consignment to plant. I am going to transfer consignment to plant. Okay, plant. How to transfer? Okay. How to transfer? Go to MIGO transfer posting. Okay. Okay, we have to do it here. Okay, vendor consignment stock, we have to post it. Okay, 411K transfer posting, transport posting. 411K, it is a movement type. Consignment stock, but material number. This is very important. Write down this is a. What is 411K means? Pakka entry question. 411K. Transfer posting, consignment to own stock. Okay, 411K transfer posting. Okay, double click on that. Excuse me. Okay. Here we have to maintain the material number. Okay, which material number? That is same material number, consignment material number. Enter the material number. Enter the material number. Enter the plant name. Enter the storage location number. Consignment material. Okay, quantity 100. Okay, 100. 100. Same vendor number. Some 300. 110. Now account assignment details we'll see. Something LG star. Okay, LG star. Company code. Okay, check the error. Storage location we have to maintain here. Same storage location. Check the error once again. Maybe this is LG05, I think. Okay, LG05. Okay, we already created LG05 cost center. Okay, KP. Correct. Okay, we'll create one. This is done by the FICO cost center, person, hierarchy. Click on save. Now we'll use your account assignment. Okay, LG05, check the error. 2811, it is not there, it does not exist. Just now I created. This I'll go for with once again. MIGO. Okay, material number, name, storage location, material, quantity. Okay, quantity 100, 100. Account assignment, cost center, LG05. Click on the check the errors. Then go to storage location. Then check the error. Cost center does not exist. Just create a this is created, cost center is created. Check the error. Okay, just leave it the cost center. You see post. Okay, it is not mandatory. Okay, just post it. Let's see the stock now. Just I received here 100. Check here. If I refresh here, what is the stock right now? Vendor consignment. Okay, 1000. Okay, 1000. Okay, if it is a 1000, it is there. Okay, 1000. Refresh. Okay, refresh. See now, 100 stock is moved here. Okay, 100 stock is moved. Okay, 100 stock. Okay, this is we can call. Okay, this is we can call vendor consignment. Meaning, whenever we require the vendor consignment, we can do it by using this particular procedure. Okay, this procedure. Now, okay, now what exactly our work is? Okay, what exactly our work is? We have to settle the payment. I have to settle the payment. Okay, to settle the payment. To settle the payment, go to MRKO. MRKO. Okay, this is we can call consignment and pipeline settlement. This is MRKO is a consignment and pipeline settlement. Okay, okay, MRKO is a consignment and pipeline settlement. Okay, MRKO. Enter the company code and process name is consignment. The process name is consignment. The process name is consignment. And click on execute. Means I'm not settling first, I'm displaying. I'm not settling, I'm displaying. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Here, that payment is not settled here. That payment is not settled. Okay, now I have to settle the payment. I have to settle the payment. To settle the payment, select here back button. Select the back button. And click on settle button. Okay, click on settle button and click on execute. Okay, click on here. It is giving okay, no tax information. Okay, we got it. Okay, why no tax information is coming? Because we did not maintain the tax information. We have to maintain the tax information, then only it will be settled. To maintain the tax information, ME12, same info record you have to go. Here we have the purchasing organization data. Here we have the tax code. If you maintain the tax code, 0 tax code. Okay, if you maintain the tax code, then this process will be settled. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Now it is saved. Now we'll settle the payment. Go to MRKO, pipeline, deselect the pipeline, settle. Okay, click on settle. Now if I execute here, consignment will be settled here. See now. Before it was not there. Okay, before it was not there. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, this is a professor. Okay, click on that particular vendor related. This is the okay. Now settle the payment is settled. Consignment is okay. This procedure, the document number also generated. Is a document number. Okay, document list 90010. Okay, enter. Okay, see now all the documents are generated. Okay, this is not our work. That is FI related work. Just only how to generate that is our work. That's it. Okay, how to generate the document related. Okay, this document number we can call financial related document number. And if you want to check that particular one, okay, here material document also can check here. Once if you check the material document, here we have the one option, document information. Under document information, we can see that okay, document related data. See, this is the document number. If we double click here, it will show the document number. It will show the general ledger overview also. This is a document number 8004. This is a general ledger document. Okay, just now I shown FB03. Even you can cross check there also. FB03. Okay, we can directly execute here also. Same accounts payable 91 is a key, 40 is a debit entry. This is a credit entry. Okay, this is a credit entry. 91 means general ledger credit entry. Okay, 40 is a general ledger debit entry. Okay, this procedure we can call maintaining this particular option. Okay, like this, we have to create a vendor related, payment related options. Vendor related payment. But these all payment settings done by the only purchase related payment settings, the consignment, exact okay, transaction related things done by only FI consultant, not ourselves. Our part is how to create the GL account. Okay, how to create the GL account. This is the procedure. This is the procedure. How to create the procedure. Okay, how to create the procedure. Okay, this particular part we can call consignment procedure. Okay, consignment. Okay, like that we have subcontracting. Like that we have pipeline. Pipeline very small concept. Pipeline RTP just 15-20 minutes on one concept. Subcontracting, one class we require. MRP is one class we require. Batch management, okay, external service management. These are all the concepts are pending. Click on pending. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, before classes or previous classes. So, Bhavya, any doubt? Sudarshan, any doubt here? The procedure I explained clearly. I have shown you the process also. Okay, just yeah, Bhavya, any doubt here? Okay, this all process concept way I'll discuss. Why means because this is very important project oriented concept. Okay, if I want, I'll complete the pipeline also, but better this is very important process. Okay, better you complete this exercise today. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, now. Sudarshan? Okay. Okay, then I'll stop it today. Okay, you just continue this exercise. Okay, you complete it. Okay, come. I'll stop it.